Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:16 p.m. September 25th, 2020. Fridays here. Once again, we are back to another Friday, closing up the week. A couple more days of trading in September left. This is the final full week of September trading, I believe. Yep. So we close out on Wednesday next week for the month of September. So it's been a pretty good month. One side note, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Also, my E-Trade Roth IRA account has now shifted over to E-Trade, and that is funded and ready to go and downloaded. Now I need to set it up. If I have time this weekend, I will be setting up the E-Trade platform to try to see if I can get some fills, because today, another frustrating fill situation. It's a little bit smoother actually for this past week. Other than Monday, I've been getting some good fills, but today I was just missing. I tried using a buy stop limit on quote order and I got missed on that, which went up for another point. So that is my biggest factor. Now I can take a loss. I'm good at taking losses now. I'm comfortable taking the 50-cent loss. Or even the quick 5 to 10 cent loss and just getting out of the trade if I don't think it's going to work. I'm comfortable with that. It's getting in those ones that are just going to work. Even the ones that take a little bit of effort that I hang on to. It's just frustrating. I got stuck in some Tesla trades. Not stuck, but just I took some Tesla trades. And if you look at Tesla, just a chop day all day long. Finally made a little move. I have pre-market on here right now. Turn that off. And, you know, there's some moves in the morning, and then it just got kind of ugly throughout the day, and I got stuck in a couple of them. Stupid me. But there were some good ones, too. I did end up in the positive side, so let's get into it a little bit. The markets were up pretty well. I mean, they were talking the industrials up 358, 241 NASDAQ. 51 SPY. Apple, nice move today, almost 5 points, pretty strong, nice percentage. Early in the morning, we had like these crazy, there wasn't really like the last 2 days with those crazy moves, like 2,000% moves. We didn't have to really worry about that today. I kind of went back to some basics on Tesla, Beyond. I took a bad trade on NVAX. I hate that stock. Really can't stand NVAX. But it was doing really well today, and I was looking for the move back through 116 to break the high here of 117.35, but obviously I should have waited for the 117 to be approached and not take the 116, because once I got in the 116, it tried and failed. So I took a loss on that, and that kind of hurt my day because I got off to a great start. So let's get into that. SHLL, I really liked it this morning. These are 5-minute candles going on 2 minutes. It happened really quick and really fast, and I was able to take advantage. And that's what the point is of trading, right? So I liked it through 44 early on, no matter what, straight out of the gate. And I was able to ride it up to, I had some really good sales. End of the day, I think I made $75 on that first trade. And I think it was with 300 shares. Moved up, 83 cents. I scaled out pretty well. Could have done a little bit better, of course. But at the end of the day, it kind of pissed me off because this is the one I did the buy stop limit on quote order through the 44.50. It went up for a point, and I wasn't able to get that. And that's what I was looking at most of the day. I really like SHLL. It moves really well. It can be tough because it gets spready, but you have to be aware of that. And, you know, you don't trade it too big. You can make some really nice money on some nice moves. So between this and this Tesla trade, I was kind of flirting with, and then I look at this DPHC through 24.50 here, got caught in that, and then it got shoved down and lost some money. So I had the NVAX, and I was, all of a sudden I went negative, and I was feeling kind of frustrated at lunchtime. But then all these IPOs started opening up. I missed one of them, but I got one. It's PRLD. The move through here was through 27. Look at this candle. Just took off. Never looked back in that candle. And obviously it halted. I scaled out all the way up through this move. This is a 2-point move, 2.5 point move. And I think I made $165 on 200 shares on a 2-point move. So it was not bad. No, I think I had a few more shares than 200. Was it a 2-point move? Yeah, 2.5 point move. So I was able to get some action on that, and that got me back to the break-even side, and actually pretty green. It halted and kind of fell off the face of the earth after that. But the other one was this PMVP. I swear I just went to lunch. I was watching it at 36 here, and it just took off for another 2 points. So the IPOs were hot today, but that one IPO really saved me and put me in the green. I ended up with 101 today. I was at a high of one. I don't know. Let's bring up the equity for today. Decent day, decent week, green all week, which is good. Managing my risk a lot more. I'm looking to increase a little bit share size next week. But hold on, let's go check that out. Okay, so this gives you a viewpoint of how my trading day went. It was kind of rough for a second there, but I got in that SHLL, and then I got a nice move up on, this is my other SHLL final trade, and then it kind of fell off on these stupid NVAX trades right here. This is the NVAX trade, but then the IPO came in, and I took that, and this final little move here from here to here was Tesla. End of the day, I was looking for the squeeze, and it did squeeze, but not as soon as I thought it would. So pretty good day and a pretty good week, actually. I got a long way to go, but I'm feeling pretty comfortable with the trading right now. Hopefully the markets get a little bit more momentum to the north side. The SPY grinded up pretty well today. You can see here that it just kept going up and up and up and up. But the funny thing is Tesla did not trade like that. More like Apple traded like that. So if you look at Tesla, it kind of traded this like it was going down when the SPY was going up, and then it finally turned around. So it was the type of thing where I shouldn't have been looking at Tesla, and I got to remember that if it's not really moving well, just stay away from it. So again, IPO saved the day. Beyond Trade saved the day. SHLL saved the day. And that stupid NVAX will be off my list going forward. So if you have any questions, maybe we'll have a little E-Trade videos next week. Maybe. Let me know if you have any questions about that. And I will continue doing my best to share what I have going on here. And you guys have a good weekend. And we'll talk to you soon.